Have things gone out of control? Are you having troubles finding what you're looking for? Are you ready to ask for help? Well, you can find the answers to all your questions in the good book. And it's telling me you need to get organized with this week's feature product from Priority, the 24-bin hanging storage kit. This package contains everything needed to turn your workstation from cluttered to clean. It includes the mounting hardware required to secure the 8 support rails to a wall or cabinet, as well as 24 multicolored hanging bins that come in various lengths to assist in easy retrieval of product. There's even a label holder on the outside of the bin to make sure that anyone using your workstation can return any and all items back to their correct location. You'd hope so anyways. The 6 red bins can each hold a total volume of 35 cubic inches, while the 12 yellow bins can each hold 67 cubic inches. And finally, each of the 6 blue bins will be able to contain a total of 91 cubic inches. And once the rail is properly mounted to wall studs, the entire kit can hold up to 77 pounds of organized parts and hardware. So, make it easier to find nuts and bolts when working on a car in the garage, or the right length of screw faster in the workshop. It can even make helping the kids with arts and crafts for school a little bit cleaner. All thanks to this week's feature product from Priority, the 24-bin hanging storage kit. How do you stay organized in your workbench? Got any tips or tricks? Let me know in the comment section below. And check back to the channel often for more awesome feature products. Till next time.